Hello guys. Today, I'm going to, deploy Extend server today, right? So, but I don't have. I need extra, drive. So, which I don't have here right now. Suppose here, right? This is my actually Extend server here. See, Extend server. I need like an extra drive here, E drive or D drive, G drive, any drive, So I need that. So for like in my Extend server, right? So this is my Hyper-V. So how can I add that? Because I don't want to use this one. I need one physical drive here, right? I mean like a logical drive here, but I'm making like a physically, right? So when I go to here disk management, so see here is a only this two drive, right? This is a DVD, so this one is I can use that, right? And here is a only like a 126 GB for my exchange, because for exchange minimum we need like a 120, right? So I want to I don't want to shrink this volume here. So I want to add extra drive here, like an E drive or any drive, right? So how can I do that? So let's see. Okay, so before do anything, so I just want to close this one, and close this one also, and just turn off this one first. Okay, because without that we can add the drive later. So that's why just add the click here, and just go to new and hard disk here, right? We need a hard disk, so that's why. Okay, now go to next and use BSDX, because this is this format support virtual disks up to 64 terabytes, so you can use this one. Okay, and then go just next, and I want to add only 100 or 120 gigabyte for my that Extend server, because Extend server they save a lot of file there, right? So that's why you can add there 100 or 120 any. Okay, but I'm going to use fixed size here. Just next, and give the name here before here. Okay, don't delete this extension here. Just go like this until here, and this is for your Extend server, right? So yes, Extend drive. I just want to keep this one. Okay, Extend drive. Okay, so and then where you want to save this one, just click here, browse. I want to go to save this in D drive. Here is my Hyper-V, so I want to select this drive and just select the drive here. Okay, select the folder. Okay, go ahead like this. Okay, now go to click next, and you can give the how much you want to give the space. So I want to give 120. I just want to select this one, 120. Okay, and then just click next. Okay, now finished. This will create one drive which have 120 GB. So let's see, it's going to finish very fast. Just finishing. Okay, creating new virtual hard disk, right? So let's see that. Okay, now go to check there, D drive, right? Hyper-V. So here see Extend server, and this is an Extend drive, right? This is Extend server is this one, right? And this is an Extend drive. I just want to use this drive for this Extend server. Okay, so now go to Extend server, right click, settings, and then click this SCSI controller to add the hard drive. Okay, so hard drive and add, and here virtual hard disk, just browse this one, and we have that hard drive, right? So here is inside this one, right? Double click this one and select that Extend drive that. Okay, and open it, and this one is come here, right? See, apply. Okay, so that is come inside here. Now go to connect, start. Now you will see that Okay, restart my PC. Okay, appl apple 123. Press this one and just right click and go to disk management here. Check it out here. Now see here we have a 3 right now, right? This one is 120. We just added that, right? So just right click here, online, right click again, initialize disk. Okay, so see, on allocated right now, so we have to allocate that, right? So right click this one and new simple volume, next, and just click this one, and you can choose the like drive whatever you want. I just put like an E drive and give the name here Exchange server, like this, and this perform quick format, right? Because we did this one our lab also, so that's why. So you know about this one, right? Format, next, finished. Okay, now close it, go to like explore, see here, extend that. So like this you can add your extra drive. See, 119 GB something like, because 120 means 119, so it's okay, no problem. So just like this you can format, no problem, right? See, easily you can format. Okay, see, this is a way you can add your like extra drive in your Hyper-V, because we have to do this for our XML, right? So that's why, that's it. So if you are using like Hyper-V, follow this steps, you can add your extra this drive. Thank you for watching. Okay, bye.